We searched high and low for a colour to go with green, because green is quite a tricky colour, so it had to complement it and not fight for. It's quite a strong colour, so it had to be a natural colour. Also, it couldn't be too light because we have 2 dogs and teenage boys, so it had to be disguise dirt, but also be able to see if it's dirt. So. Love the colour, and we actually saw it in one of your brochures, and I was in a similar kitchen and I just fell in love with it and said that is the one I want. It's over 400 years old. It was originally the Manor House, where they had the steward of the Lord used to come and get money from the tenants and for the church mainly. It then became a farmhouse, and it's been chopped and changed over the years, and I think in the late 17th century the Flemish gables were put on, but it was always owned by the church and not a lot of love and care has been put into it. You think I should say it's cooking, but it's not. The whole point of the renovation really was to incorporate the garden, so the entrance of the house used to be over there. A lot of people guessed and realised we had a garden. Having the orangery, having this area was to bring the garden into here, having green, and we sit in the orangery all the time. We have breakfast, lunch, dinner, read books. We just use this space, and this space wasn't usable. It was a boot room. It was just lots of little rooms all put together, and so it's now where we spend all our time.